Hi friend, welcome back to SkillUp channel for another tutorial. I'm going to be showing you a remote desktop software called AnyViewer. This is a new product from a company called Huawei Tech. They make a lot of backup software, a lot of utility-based software for hard drives. And well, they are now throwing their hat into the ring for this. Okay guys, without wasting time, let's go back to tutorial. And I show you how to use it. As usual, we start by downloading of software. To download this product, go to AnyViewer.com. After navigate to website. You can check the different pricing models. To do that, tap here. As you can see, free, professional, enterprise. In this tutorial, I will choose the free version. Let's download and install the software. This software support Windows, iOS, and Android. Download and install the software. Tap on Enjoy Now button. This is our device ID. And this one is temporary security code. We are able to change it any time we want. To control another device, we should type their ID here. So let's install the AnyViewer in another desktop. This is another desktop. Go to AnyViewer.com, or you can simply click on the first link in description below. Download and install AnyViewer software in this device as well. To access in PCB, simply type this ID in PCA. Then tap on Connect. Check the Send a request to your partner. Then press OK. In PCB, you will receive a notification. Tap on Allow button. As you can see, we have successfully accessed in PCB. And we can chat from here. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe SkillUp channel. Give a thumbs up to this video. And share this video with your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video. Have a great time.